Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have a very special episode for you. We haven't managed to introduce the Mark 5 GTI yet on the channel. So as you can see, we've got some parts for it that just arrived today and we are going to do a short unboxing video. I'll show you the RAM air intake. We got PCV delete kit from HG Motorsport from Germany. And we got some boost gauges that we haven't managed to install for, I think I have those for around 3 years or something like that, and I haven't managed to install them yet. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Okay, so this should be an oversized intake for the Mark 5 GTI. Okay, so let's see what Ramer have sent us. So we have some pipes here, as I can see, silicone tubes. Oh, that's so big actually.
Yeah, boy.
It seems like it's really well made, like a great quality product. Okay, so this I think it goes into the turbo. We'll see when we are going to install it. And wow, the GTI will like this for sure. We have some heat shields. Yeah. Some heat shields. Okay, so this should be the intake. Next, we got the HG Motorsport PCV fix kit. It should be the delete kit. No, actually it has a series number. That's cool. And some papers, because that's how things works in Austria and Germany. The PCV is like a common issue for the 2-liter TFSI engines. To fix that, you can either go for the updated version from Volkswagen, or you can go for a PCV fix set. Okay, so the issue with the PC valve is that it's made out of rubber, and if that thing's broke somewhere, your engine will start consuming more oil, or you'll have irregular RPMs when idling. The easy way to fix it, I recommend you HG Motorsport kit. Alright guys, so that should be it. I'll take my parts to my car and then I'll drive to my friend and we'll start installing it. I'll see you there. Alright guys, so we arrived to my friend's house. We are going to install the parts. So we'll start with the RAM air intake. So, long story short, we need to take off the engine cover because the air filter inside this one, I'll show you later. Safety first. We need to take this one out too, my friends, because we don't need it. So now we have a racing bonnet.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up. So this goes into the turbo. This goes in this one.
So we've managed to install the heat shield. I think I will run this setup like this. I need to find a good position for the filter and this tube. If everything is set properly, I'll secure everything and then I'll start the car up. You guys will hear the car. Alright, so let's see how we can fit this one. Need to move this one around. Alright, so we removed the original PCV. So we put some parts together, so the process will be easier. You actually need to keep the original screws. You'll need it for this thing. Let's see. Okay, this needs to be removed. Everything is set like that.
You look so international. Girl, what's your name? I have to know. Ain't no one else in your lane. Let's fill this car with gas and go. No hesitation, I'm on it. If that's the way that you want it, that's cool with me, so let's ride. Let's go somewhere that you like.
So yesterday when we finished installing the intake and the PCV delete kit, we didn't have too much light to continue recording and my GoPro was running out of battery. So I've decided to record the sound check video today. I'll just drive around a little bit so I get my engine warmed up and then I'll show you guys what the oversized rammer intake sounds like. So yeah, enjoy guys.